Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening the host drawing and launching Xref Manager with the Xref command. This lets you see all linked files immediately. Identify the reference you want to bind, then decide. Unload if you need the path, detach if you will remove the link first. Once chosen, create a quick backup of your DWG so you can revert if bindings change layers or blocks unexpectedly. This step prevents data loss and lets you proceed with confidence into the binding workflow. Now perform the bind. Right-click the Xref in Xref Manager and pick Bind or Insert depending on how you want layers and blocks handled. You choose Bind to keep nested references as separate groups, or Insert to flatten them into your drawing, both affect names and layer states. Before clicking OK, check for block name conflicts and nested Xrefs, rename or detach any that will clash. Once done, Autocad merges the geometry. Make sure to audit and purge to clean unused definitions. Finish by saving and running audit, then purge to remove leftover definitions and ensure a clean file. This prevents hidden errors later. If geometry seems missing or layers are off, check layer states, frozen/lock status, and any Xref clipping boundaries, because binding can change layer membership or visibility. If you encounter unresolved block or layer name conflicts, revert to your backup, rename problem elements, and repeat the bind. This targeted troubleshooting keeps your final DWG intact and predictable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.